It's true po that the teenage years, the adolescent years is one of the most difficult na pinagdadaanan po ng ating mga anak, but it's also one of the most exciting years of their lives. And we want you to journey with your young people. We want you to journey with your adolescents. Let's go down to their level. Let's be friends with them. Let's spend time with them. And let's get to know what they're doing, what they're up to, yung mga yo-yo nila. Let's have fun with them po. Then alamin natin ano yung mga pinagdadaanan nila para po kasabay nila tayo sa journey ito over the 9-year period of the adolescent years. Kahit man po sabihin nila na tayo ay iba na ang ating generation at maybe nahuhuli na ang kanilang mga magulang at hindi makasabay sa mga young people, there's always a different point of view. The highest level in the lives of our children. So huwag po magsawa, let's not give up on our children. Patuloy po sila ipanalangin, patuloy po silang gabayan. But the parents po need to experiment, no? So ano po yung way, ano po yung style na that will work with our children. Kasi po like, if nakita nito na yung sermon at naging will not work, and then ibahin po yung style. Baka pwede isama mo shopping, isama mo pakainin na pakainin. Wala mo kanalitan. Oo, gano'n. So hindi po nadadala sa cellphone, do it in a diplomatic way, in a loving way, no? So yung mga gano'n. So our young people naman for adolescents, mga anak, bago natin pasukin na anumang bagay, no? Kasi, yes, mag-isip na mag-isip, hindi lang 100 times. Ako ba ay makakapagbigay ng honor sa aking pamilya or ako ba ay makakapagbigay ng kalihiyan? Tapos ano magiging posible epekto nito sa buhay ko? Will I be successful in the future if I do this? Or I can win? No? Kasi it's really unfair to ipagpalit natin, okay, ladies and gentlemen, sexual climax is only about a few seconds to a few minutes. Ipagpalit mo yung few seconds of pleasure sa buong buhay mo pagsisisihan at buong buhay mo paghihirapan, no? Pag nagkamali tayo. So, yun ang siguro ang maihahapili ko ngayon, Ma'am Ellen, sa ating lahat. At ulit po, hashtag wag muna bish. Okay, mag-inspire sa tamang panahon.
Yes, true love waits nga daw po, di ba, Doc? So, maraming salamat, Dr. Mary Grace Santuy. At para po sa mga gusto pong magpakonsulta at para rin po sa interesado sa inyong programang hashtag wag muna besh, ang inyong pong clinic address, hotline number, and Facebook page na rin po, Doc.
Actually po, this is a program of the Philippine Pediatric Society. We call it as Project Teenspire. Now, they can approach any pediatrician in their locality, anywhere in the Philippines. And then they will be connected to our society, and then pwede po natin gawin. Ang Project Teenspire sa lahat ng eskwelahan sa Pilipinas, all the youth groups, even churches, and kahit po anong organisasyon na willing tanggapin at i-welcome kami sa inyong pong bakuran. Now, we will be more than willing to go there and teach.
Meron po ba tayo maibibigay na number or clinic address?
Actually po, I'm based in Tacloban. Yes po. So, palayo na yun. I'm connected with Allied Care Experts Medical Center po. Yeah.
Okay. Maraming salamat once again, Doc, sa inyong oras and information na binahagi sa amin ngayong gabi ito.
Maraming salamat din po for the privilege of sharing my time with you as well.
Yan na nga rin po ang kabuuan ng ating discussion ngayong gabi ito. Maraming salamat po muli, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Inyo rin pong nakasama. Ellen Ibansal, mga kaluga.
Check TikTok live or TikTok. Coping siya. Check the video. This is the video. Or this is the basket. Look for the yes. No order. Add to cart. Which do you like? Or buy now. Click here, buy now.